anyway, so we have been here a while, and I sometimes do my intros after I have been at a place, just to be able to give more of a summary of how it was like and what it's been like while we have been at a place. It has been beautiful. The spectacular views has just been amazing. The view over where Kent is at is just spectacular. I'll show you that. I have the view of the lake from here, and then also out of that window, which I have it open now, I have a great view of the mountain ranges over there. So yeah, I get the best of both worlds. But anyways, yeah, but Kent needed to be further down there so he could put out his ham radio wires and everything. But it has been an amazing stay here, really spectacular. I still have struggled a little bit with acute mountain sickness, you know, because we're up 9,000 plus feet. Actually, I think Kent said 9,700 feet. So really the highest I have been so far, but not as bad as the last place. I think my body has acclimated a little bit more to the high elevations, but it's still been somewhat of a battle, but better, I should say. But the weather has been great, but we have had rain off and on and thunderstorms and warmer weather, cooler weather. Today it's cooler, but I am welcoming the rain. I mean, the rain is just so wonderful. It's washing off the rigs. Love to hear it, the sound on the van. And just, I don't know, I haven't seen rain in so long, so it really has been nice to be able to see the rain. I'm going to show you around, and I'll show you a rainy day. And experiencing thunderstorms, so some boomers are passing us by right now. That's what it's looking like. There's definitely some heavy rain going on out there. You can see the spray of water right down over there. So see if I can get a boomer. But it doesn't look like it's going to last very long. There's some blue sky out there, but I'm just right overhead, right up above me. There it is, right out there. That was a loud one. That was within, I would say, a couple of minutes apart from the last one. So when that happens, Kent has to unhook his coax coming in from his wires into his truck, you know. He disconnects that. I just shut my inverter down and everything just to be on the safe side. But yeah, you can really see that rain coming down. See right out there? Yeah, you just want to be safe. So he just came out. Whoa, did you see that lightning? I caught it right out there ahead of us. Wow. I hope it came out. Yep, there goes the boomer. Wow. That was pretty cool. I hope it came out though. So it's going to be like this for the whole rest of the week, off and on, this scattered thunderstorms passing through. So it's that monsoon season, so everything's coming, you know, up from like Arizona and that kind of direction up more north to us. This is our last fire. Not that we're leaving. It's only because we were notified, plus we have been checking like almost every other day for fire restrictions, and so they did come in and tell us that when we just looked like the day before and there was no restrictions, and then a guy came in and said that there is going to be fire restrictions in this area, and it starts tomorrow. So this is our last fire. I don't know if you can see, but we have all this firewood to burn up tonight. So we started early. We'll see if we get it all burned up. Anyways, so we're just going to really enjoy it. And I don't know if up north you can still have fires, but slowly more and more of Utah is going to be in fire restrictions. But we're really enjoying the last fire. And Milo's over here. Hi, Milo. He says, I have him back there because sometimes there's little sparks that fly, and I want to keep him protected. Actually, not little, they're actually good sized ones, so need to keep him safe. All right, we're going to enjoy this fire. It's now July 8th. And, yep, summer months and all the bands. So far we were checking Oregon. Oregon doesn't have any bands yet, so we'll see how long that lasts. I'm going to get a view this way. That's our camp. We both have our computers and sitting and enjoying the fire. And the boomers earlier today. Alright. Just wanted to get this. Don't you love the sound of the crackling? Listen. I just love the sound of fire. And all the different colors that the flames bring. Okay, see you in the next day or clip. Might get more boomers tomorrow. We'll see. See you then. Say hi, Milo. Say hi to YouTube. He says, I like how Kent has his truck because I can get inside his camper. It's a lot lower. So he says, you open up that door and I can just zip right inside now all by myself. I'll have to show you guys that later. It's kind of cute. All right, we're in for a rainy day though. We're bunkering down inside today. But it's a cooler day, so he's got his little shirt on or sweater. Okay, I wanted to capture my boy here. We're just vegging. Good catch up on YouTube and videos, huh? Alright, so we'll go show you outside. First I have to show you, this is the coldest day we've had. So 55 outside, 69 inside today. We've had some rain, but it's been warm outside even though it's been rainy. So today's been quite a bit cooler. Alright, so this is our stormy rainy day, and later on another rainy day I'll just put all the clips together because I'm going to try to make this one video out of this place. And I caught a lightning bolt and it was thundering, so it was on another rainy day, not this one. So I'll add all the different clips in here so you can just kind of see our journey. Alright, so there's the beautiful view. Kent down there, and we'll see if I get some boomers today. It's been a little bit here and there, but nothing too bad. Alright, so really a gorgeous place, but it is quite a steep drive getting up here. My van barely made it at 20 miles per hour climbing up that steep mountain or road. Alright, so I'll take you to base camp later and that spectacular view when it clears out. How beautiful it is out here tonight. Watching the sunset. So sunset chasing again. Just so gorgeous. So be watching that sunset. Okay, we're sitting out here since we can't have a fire, but we're watching lightning and stuff out in the distance from us. So every so often, yeah, there was one. And then, boy, we just saw a big, huge bolt out ahead of us. So we're having our own little natural fireworks show, lightning show. Yeah, Milo's right here. He's tucked inside the blinky. I don't know if you can see him, but no, you can't. Here, let me turn my light on. There he is. There he is. He's all right there, all tucked away. Can you guys see all the bugs that just are flying around? Yeah, there they are. Almost, oh my gosh, I don't know where they all came from. Normally I'll see them if I walk through the grass or something, and then I'll kick up some of them, but whoa, that is like an awful lot of them. Yeah, you can see all the little flickers of speckles moving around. That is, let's see if I can get, they're down there too. Yeah, you can see all that little flickering is not something going on with the video. That is actually little tiny bugs. You do have to deal with all kinds of bugs when you are in this lifestyle. Like that big spider that I ended up finding once. Oh my gosh. Isn't that crazy? Hope you can see them. They're starting to calm down just a little bit. Oh, there they go. I can get this out the window. Wow. We're having boomers right now. Yeah, so there's a big gray cloud. Oh, wow, you can really see the bugs now. See the gray cloud? I mean, it's huge. It's just right over us. But then there's some blue sky around it. So then we get all the thunder, and I haven't seen the lightning, but there's always thunder, lightning if there's thunder. But I unplugged everything to make sure that everything was going to be safe, just to be on the precautionary measure. Well, I lost count. I'm sorry if there's slight is going to be feedback here. But I have actually lost count of how many days now, off and on, that we've had to deal with the thunderstorms. But we are trying to pack up and get out of here. We have to make it up north and west to camp post by August, and I'm getting a little more concerned if I'm going to make it because of my body. So I may have to move with Kent, barely get there for 2 days, and get on my way, because we were going to pack up yesterday and it was just so bad. I haven't even brushed my hair yet, sorry about that. But we were going to pack up yesterday, and it was like raining hard most of the day, so it just made everything really bad, so we couldn't pack up. And then so, well, we're going to try it today, and now I don't know. Hopefully this won't last very long. I haven't looked to see if there's any blue sky out there, but I feel like, oh my gosh, are we ever going to get packed up? It's never our schedule sometimes when you're on the road. It's what nature brings us. So I have to check in with Kent still and find out. He's got to take down his wires. We were going to dedicate the whole day to do that today and pack up the camp over there. I don't have a whole lot to pack up here, so but we need a break in this weather. So we'll see what happens if we get out of here real soon. Oh gosh. All right, I wanted to fill you in. It was pretty loud up above. If it comes back, I'll try to film it. So that is the noise maker. I keep checking outside. It changes all the time on the cloud covered. So there's a little blue sky out there, but oh my gosh, I don't think we're going to get him packed down with his wires today. Crazy. You could see it raining out there now. And all the boomers are right up above me. And I did hear them out above, out there. But it's been definitely, yeah, still over there a little bit and then overhead. So we'll see. It's just now starting to come down a little bit, but I have that antenna that's connected to my hotspot. I always disconnect that and I unplugged everything just to be on the safe side. I'm sure everything will be all right being plugged in, but I'd just rather be safe than sorry. Okay, well, we'll see what happens, but it doesn't look like it's hopeful to, I think this just did us in for today's pack up. So we might get out now in another 2 days. So Saturday now instead of, we were trying to get out Thursday, so now it's looking like Saturday. Oh my gosh. All right. Yeah, hear it out there? People were on their quads, but from that camper, boy, they hurried back in quickly to get out of that storm. Okay, well, there's the lake. All right, so that's how it's looking today. I want to capture this because there's a tiny bit of sun. I'm trying to get this beautiful view with the sun out. Got a little peak. Isn't that incredible? I am just in awe of this view that we've had. So I don't know if it's going to rain some more, but it's looking pretty gray out there. So we'll see how long this lasts. We're in this bubble, like this blue sky that just happens to be right just around us, but gray everywhere else. Isn't that weird? All right, we got work to do though. We are going to start to tear down, hopefully. We're going to move north, more north. Storm watching, and we just saw 2 really good sized bolts coming down. Let's see if we can catch another one out in the valley. I put it on pause, but now I just boomer. Ooh, oh, I just missed it. Oh my gosh.
You didn't get that? Oh shit.
I don't think so. I put it on pause because I didn't want it to keep running. Oh, let me see.
That was a good one. Nah, just let it run. Ooh, that's a nice one.
I got that one. Woo!
A long one.
Yeah. And there's the after effect, the boomer.
That was a good one, but
I don't know if I got the bolt. It's a beautiful sunset tonight after all that lightning storm. Never get tired of sunsets. They're just so amazing and beautiful. Isn't that amazing? Well, this is what it kind of looks like without all the dark gray clouds. But we still didn't get that full sun for me to take a picture, or video I mean. But it's the best that I'm going to be able to do, because now today we're leaving. So we had lots of rain, lots of thunderstorms off and on. And I always think I have another day to maybe film, and then it happens. It actually rained on us while we were trying to pack up. Anyway, so that's the view. Spectacular. Really pretty view here. Just gorgeous. Just so in awe of it. Well, I hope you enjoyed the videos from my stay here. It was so amazing over here at this spot. So, and enjoyed the pictures that I have at the end here. And then I love you all, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you, and I appreciate everyone out there for watching and for subscribing to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and ring that bell. And together we can make a difference with my favorite charities, Wilderness on Wheels and Meals on Wheels of America.